In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix logging Windows. So let's get started. So first is you have to simply click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we just have to simply click on privacy and security, and we're just going to disable some privacy settings right here. So under Windows permissions, you have to click on the general, and then you have to simply turn off these options right here. So if these are switched on in your Windows, you just need to simply switch that off. This will not affect your Windows, but this will just only speed up your Windows performance. Then you'll find speech, turn off right here. And then you'll find inking and typing personalization, turn off right here. Diagnostics and feedback, you can switch this off. And then you'll find search permissions. Maintain this to moderate. For the cloud content search, Microsoft account, switch that off. Workers call account, switch that off. History, switch that off. And search highlights. Then you'll find searching windows. Maintain that to classic. And then right here for the app permissions, if you're not going to use your location, you can simply switch the button off right here. For the camera, for the microphone, for the notifications, you can switch the button off right here. Then for the account or contacts, you can switch the button. And then you'll find calendar. You can switch the button on off from here. So the basic thing that you need to do is you just have to simply switch the button off for the permissions right here that you're not going to use. Like this one. Like messaging, like email, if you're not going to use this mail right here, then you can switch the button off. And once done, you just need to simply restart your Windows. Right click at the start button and then shut down or sign out and restart. By doing so, that will fix the logging issue and speed up your Windows performance. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.